Hello, welcome. Question number 10, still on the Liberian General Mathematics 2025. It said John sold an article for 105,000 naira at a loss of 4%. We have to find the cost price of the article. We're looking for the cost price. Now, if you follow my tutorials I've done on percentages, I've talked about various ways of arriving at this answer. But in this episode, I'll go straight forward with using formula. No other analysis I'm going to do. Just direct formula. We know that cost price is equivalent to 100 divided by 100 minus the X percent. Times the selling price. I'm going straight forward with the formula. So you can check my playlist for the tutorials I did on that. The percentage of X is the loss. Profit will have been addition. So we have 96, then times the selling price, which is 105,000 naira. We can put all these in our calculator and find the result of that. 100 over 96 times what? 105,000 will give you 109,375 naira. I guess clear. If you want other analysis, watch the playlist percentages 1 and 2 on YouTube. You get all the facts you are looking for. So in this case, our option is going to be what? Option D. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and come back for question number 11.